We helped a 7,000 employee electronics manufacturer based in Seoul cut 25% off its Microsoft Enterprise Agreement, saving billions of Korean won, while making its cloud and licensing strategy flexible enough to match the fast-changing electronics market. Here's how we did it. The company's Microsoft deal was bloated. Factory and field workers who only used email, Teams, and SharePoint were sitting on expensive E3 and even E5 licenses. Many E5 features like Power BI, Teams Phone, and advanced security were barely used by most staff. They were also paying for Azure AI and machine learning services that only a few data scientists used, and they had no ability to scale down licenses if product demand dropped or teams were downsized. We started by segmenting their workforce and usage. We found about 1,000 factory and service staff who could move from E3 and E5 to cost-effective F3 licenses, while 500 office staff could drop from E5 to E3 with add-ons only for the features they truly needed. Only 300 IT, engineering, and security power users kept full E5. On Azure, we right-sized their commitment to reflect current workloads, with pay-as-you-go flexibility for experimental projects, so they weren't overpaying upfront. Then we negotiated with Microsoft. We secured 25% total savings across the EA, locked-in pricing in KRW, a unique step-down clause to reduce frontline licenses if automation shrinks headcount, and a Flex Azure commitment that lets them burst usage by 50% at discounted rates without committing everything up front. The result? They cut Microsoft costs by a quarter, freed up billions for R&D and factory upgrades, gave every employee the tools they actually need, and gained the agility to adjust licenses and cloud spend as their market changes. If your Microsoft EA is packed with features and commitments you're not using, contact Redress Compliance for a free Microsoft EA optimization assessment. We'll help you cut costs, simplify your agreement, and build flexibility into your Microsoft deal.